Well, let's try take two. Good morning, friends. Welcome back. I hope you're all doing great. Let's see if this is taking. It's taking. Let's see if we got a sound check. We got some levels. We got cans. We got cans. All right. So, welcome back to another update. Good morning, friends. Welcome back, YouTube. Hope you had a safe trading day. I know I did. So, it's just for a little recap from yesterday's update. This was my discount. This was my premium. I was looking to key off of something down here, namely this up close candle here, and I didn't want to see us breach the midway point of our overall data range. And just after the update, we ended up falling. And then when I gave the update for the private students, we had already come down and did a nice dipski poo, and yeah, we were able to get in sync for this ride up. So if you remember, that's what I wanted, and that's exactly what happened. Weird, right? Who else can do that? I don't know, not many. So we did get the fair value gap we wanted to see. I am aiming for previous day high, meaning I'm not bearish anymore. My bearish bias for the beginning of the week played out. Now, this isn't a hard line bottom call, okay? I don't want you to get it twisted here. If price action leaves that low alone, then I'm a happy camper. Okay, if price action takes that, I'm immediately aiming for this pool of liquidity in between that tail and this tail here. Okay, so you have, I'm not calling both directions. I'm saying I would like, gun to my head, I would like to see the market go up now. I'm giving you very specific price points in the market that if they fail, then I will be aiming for something much lower and much more sinister. Okay, so just for now, this is what we got. If we lose that low, then if we lose this new week opening gap on a 4-hour chart, then I'm pretty much offside. So we've gotten some great information. Looks like we could have a midweek reversal here. When you're new trading, day trading, being complete by an opening bell and then returning back to the battlefield for NFP Friday is very wise. That way you can study, practice self-control, practice not trading. And today just happened to move quite nicely. And it's normal for you to feel like, oh, why would he tell me not to trade? It moves so nicely. It's for you to study. You've got nice price action to study. Now, let's say that we've had two very nice, very scripted days here. Very like just organized, perfect, beautiful. Because we had two in a row, I would anticipate that this one would want to be a kind of a grouch. So maybe we could get like one of these compression candles, or maybe even one of these, just like not a lot of range in there, and just take everybody for a ride, which is kind of what I'm looking at. Now, I'm looking at this fair value gap here, and before I complete it, I know Mike's going to message me, and he's going to go, you did it wrong. You forgot about that inefficiency. I get it, okay? Just have that in the back of your mind. I'm not going to have it on my chart, but just notice that when you take the entire inefficiency from there to here, the midway point lines up. All these levels align really nicely, so I just don't feel like I need to have it on, okay? So I'm aiming for previous day high. Unless we lose this new day opening gap here, I'll just assume it wants to come for something much lower. So analysis so far on side, couple of nice days of bulling price around, which it's like feels great after round tripping so many times in October. The last couple of days it felt really great. So, don't let it go. Don't let it get to you. When price action is favorable, you'll think that it's favorable forever. Now, no, not yet. Not yet. Let it show its hand. Let's get out of this range. Let's prove that this is the higher low in the uptrend, and let's continue on our journey. So I am likely going to be sitting out. I mean, if you want to see my trade this morning from the bottom up right to there, it's on Twitter. Just scroll up a bit and you'll see it. Very cool. I did take one L, tiny L before I caught that dagger. It's pretty sweet. So I'm like, I'm content here. I have no, like, there's no excitement for me to want to just keep going and keep trading. I did well this week. So if I shut it down here, that means I did better than all of October. That's funny. So yeah, aiming for previous day high. Definitely previous day high here. Should even have that on the chart too. And then I would like to see us accelerate up through here. I don't know if that's going to be Thursday or if it's going to be Friday. Okay, just because of the nice ranges here, I would anticipate that Thursday is going to want to be a jerk. And then Friday, maybe we can get that pop back up to the upside to complete the midweek reversal profile. All right, you guys, don't do anything I wouldn't do. Keep it light, keep it tight, mind your risk, and be safe.